Just want to give you a quick look at these dual shock mounts here. Things went on the truck great. They're kind of like a little metallic silver. I kind of like the look of them. They look pretty nice, well built. The welds on them look really good. Really like these mounts. Really like the color. Just makes it pop. Look really good. Really happy with this. It came with all the washers here, the bolts for the top and the bottom, for the shocks, for both sides. These mounts look great. Really happy with them on this truck.